Christmas of 2020, I got this cute little bird mug, and I was really impressed that it came in such a nice little box. I wasn't expecting that. I got this on, I think it was Christian bookstore, Christian book online, and it was just $7.99. So I figured I'd get one, plus it's got at least two of my favorite North American songbirds on it, the bluebird, and it has the verse. Psalm 96:11. Oh, sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all the earth. And then on the side, it's got cardinal and pretty little eggs all the way around. That's a goldfinch and a robin. The robin is my other really favorite bird. Just beautiful style of art. Another cardinal and another robin, and on the bottom we got a little info on the artist. Okay, let's open it up. Yeah, it's so pretty. I don't know, too pretty to use. Maybe I'll buy a second one just to have as a display and one to actually use for drinks. It says sing, inspire, goldfinch is there, celebrate, beautiful cardinal, beautiful flowers, and then the psalm again, robin, and my two favorite birds, and they're both members of the thrush family. So bluebird, robin, and again with the goldfinch. We have the artist's signature on the bottom. Inside is just a white cup. Handle's a bit small for my taste. Pinky hits there, but I can hold it like that. It's not so bad. Could have been a little bigger, but it's a nice shape for the color and shape of the mug. So yeah, I am definitely quite happy with this purchase. It's very cute. It's very cute. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Des signing off.